Hello. So in this lecture, we'll be seeing in deep about the data production in Isilon. So the data production in Isilon is using the FEC model, that is forward error correction. So where it uses a Reed-Solomon algorithm, so error correcting codes and not the RAID. As I told you earlier, so Isilon uses the RAIN concept, not the RAID, as the data is striped across the nodes. And as I told earlier, you can set up this production on multiple levels. You can set as default and the smart pool, the node pool, on the directory level or even the file level. So the file stripes and the data stripes. So here the file is divided into small blocks, that is nothing but the stripes. So each stripe will have a data stripe unit and the production, that is nothing but the FEC stripe unit. So the file stripe width size varies based on file size or the number of nodes in the pool or even the requested production level that has been set on the node pool. So here you can see the one particular strip, the file strip is getting across all the three nodes. So here from 1 to 1000 file stripes per file. One particular file can even have 1000 stripes depending upon the file size. So here we can see, as I told you, the data and FEC stripe units are with a 128 KB of size, which are 16 blocks. So here you can see all the blocks have 8 KB in size, which is then combined into a single stripe unit. So this stripe unit may have data or it may have FEC. So FEC is nothing but the parity, in other words. So here you can see the file is sent from client and it reaches the Isilon node, and from there it is breakdown and is striped across the nodes. So the process is here: client saves the file to the node, the file is divided into data stripe units and FEC is calculated. So this FEC is calculated according to the production level that is set. As I told you, different production levels. So on 2D plus 1N, the node pool can tolerate up to 2 drive or 1 node failure. So according to that, the FEC gets calculated and gets saved on the node, and the stripe width assembled. So the stripe is assembled across the nodes and then the data is saved. So this is how a data layout happens when there is a new data coming into Isilon node. So there are some of the production formulas for that. N plus M, N is the number of nodes and M is the number of stripe units. And so that's it for the lecture. We'll see you on the next lecture.